So you're thinking about getting a Brazilian wax, but the thought of pain is making you hesitate. Don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you there are ways to make it way less painful, even borderline comfortable? Yep, it's totally possible. Welcome to MTH Health, where we make self-care easy. Stick around as we break down 10 little-known secrets to a pain-free Brazilian wax. Trust me, you don't want to miss secret number 1. Not all wax is created equal. If you want a less painful experience, go for hard wax. It grips the hair, not the skin, making removal way smoother. Strip wax, on the other hand, is great for larger areas, but can be a little more intense. Before your appointment, ask what kind of wax they use. It makes a huge difference. Did you know your pain tolerance fluctuates throughout the month? The best time to get waxed is right after your period. Your skin is less sensitive, and the experience is way more manageable. But if you book it right before your cycle, you might feel every little pull. Want the wax to grab only the hair and not dead skin? Exfoliate 24 hours before your appointment with a gentle scrub or dry brush. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and makes the whole process smoother, literally. Here's a pro tip. Don't shave right before your appointment. Your hair needs to be at least 1/4 inch long or about the size of a grain of rice for the wax to grip properly. If it's too short, the wax won't work, and if it's too long, it might hurt more. Trimming to the perfect length is key. Yes, numbing creams actually work. Grab one with lidocaine and apply it about 30 to 40 minutes before your appointment. It won't make you feel nothing, but it'll definitely take the edge off. Just do a patch test first to be safe. Tensing up makes the pain worse. Try deep breathing. Inhale deeply when the wax is applied and exhale as it's pulled off. Some estheticians even coach clients through this. It sounds simple, but it really works. Hydrated skin handles waxing better, so drink plenty of water before your appointment. But here's something surprising: avoid coffee. Caffeine makes you more sensitive to pain, so swap that latte for herbal tea on wax day. After your wax, your skin will be extra sensitive, so ditch tight jeans and opt for breathable, loose-fitting clothing. Cotton underwear is your best friend. Trust me, your skin will thank you. A good aftercare routine can make all the difference. Soothe your skin with aloe vera or fragrance-free moisturizer. And for at least 24 hours, avoid hot showers, saunas, or sweaty workouts. Your skin needs time to heal. If you're prone to ingrown hairs, use an exfoliating serum to keep things smooth. This is the real game changer. A skilled esthetician knows how to minimize discomfort and make the process quick and easy. Check reviews, ask about their experience, and make sure they use proper techniques. A good esthetician can make all the difference between a painful wax and an almost painless one. And there you have it. 10 secrets to a way less painful Brazilian wax. Which tip surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more self-care tips. See you next time on MTH Health.